Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After you open the application, tap on the icon in the top left corner and here find your Charge 6 on the list of devices, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Now tap on the bin icon in the top right corner, then tap on remove and the smartband will disappear from the app. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our phone. In settings, find the Bluetooth settings or connected devices. And here you will see the list called previously connected devices, and on it probably you will see Charge 6. If you see it, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget, and tap on forget device to remove it. And then you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.